Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply formula in Excel and apply it to the entire row or column. For more information about this tutorial, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Without any delay, let's get started. How to insert a formula in Excel. Open Microsoft Excel application in your computer. Open a new spreadsheet. Enter data in the spreadsheet. You can enter data and apply formula to any row and column. Here, I'm entering some demo data as showing in the tutorial. With that data, I'm performing sum function. Select the cell in which you want to perform the function. Type equals symbol. Select the first cell by using mouse. Then, the cell will be highlighted. Enter the function symbols showing in the tutorial. Here, I'm choosing sum function. So, I'm typing plus symbol. After that, select the another cell you want to add. Likewise, you can select any number to cells, and the cells you selected will be highlighted. And the formula as of the cell is shown in the formula bar. Then, hit enter. That's it, function is performed. How to apply formula to the entire row or column. Select the cell you performed the function earlier. Then, the cell is highlighted. Click, and hold the rectangular box using mouse. Drag it to the required level, so that the same formula is applied to the selected cells. That's it, formula is applied to the entire row or column. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description.